Hello everyone. First of all, thank you so much for giving such a great opportunity. Myself, Akshay Ganesh Murkute. I am from Sinnar, this Nasik, and I did my graduation in a Bachelor of Engineering from Pune University at Sir Vishweshwara Institute in the branch of Mechanical Engineering. And in Bachelor of Engineering, I have participated many competition and program in teacher as a teacher day. That's why we are discussing today some topic that related to my engineering branch, that engineering material, ferrous and non-ferrous materials in metals. There are two types of metals: ferrous material and non-ferrous material. So we will discuss which type of ferrous material include and which type of non-ferrous material include. In the ferrous material, which type of iron metal consider, and in non-ferrous material, which type of material we can use. So we see a small PPT and discuss on this. In the engineering materials, there are two type of metals: ferrous and non-ferrous. In ferrous, there are wrought iron, cast iron, alloy steel, and non-ferrous metals. There are copper and alloy, aluminum and alloy, lead and alloy, tin, nickel and alloy. What is ferrous materials? Ferrous metal are metal that contains iron and steel. Ferrous metal and alloy are widely used because they are provide a wide range of property. They are not found in other family of material. Ferrous metal are widely used because of this property. The raw material for ferrous material. The raw material for ferrous material are pig iron is obtained by smelting iron in a blast furnace with the help of coke and lime storage. The principal ferrous metal commonly used in engineering practice in the wrought iron, steel, alloy steel, cast iron. So now we are see what is wrought iron. Wrought iron is the highly refined iron with a small amount of slag forged out into fiber. The chemical analysis metal show as much 99% of iron. In the wrought iron shows that the 99% of the iron in the chemical analysis. What is the property of wrought iron? The slag fiber in a wrought iron improves strength, fatigue resistance, and corrosion resistance of iron. Where is wrought iron used? Generally, manufacturing of bolts and nuts, chain, crane, hooks, railway coupling, pipe, and fitting sheets, boiler tube are the main form which in the wrought iron is used. Now we are see what is steel. This is also a ferrous material type. In a alloy carbon and iron with carbon content using range of from 0.08 to 1.5%. The steel are called plain carbon steel or simply carbon steel. The steel generally contains small amount of sulfur, phosphorus, silicon and manganese in addition to carbon. The carbon steel can be classified in the basis of low carbon steel, medium carbon steel, high carbon steel. Now we are next see cast iron. What is cast iron? The cast iron is the primary alloy of iron and the carbon. The carbon cast iron varies from 2 to 4.3% in the addition of the carbon. Cast iron contains small amount of silicon, manganese, phosphorus and sulfur. Cast iron is the most important and widely used metal. It is very brittle, less ductile materials. The various type of cast iron used as follow: grey cast iron, white cast iron, malleable cast iron. So in the fourth next material, alloy steel. What is meant by alloy steel? Alloy steel may be defined to which element other than carbon are added sufficient amount to produce improvement in a property. In a general, alloy steel can give better strength, ductility, toughness, and then plain carbon steel. The commonly added element including nickel, chromium, silicon, manganese, tungsten, molybdenum, copper, cobalt, aluminum, etc. They are added element in the alloy steel. Alloy steel are the mixture of 2 and 3 elements we are discussing. The main type of alloy steel used in practice are stainless steel, heat resistant steel, high speed steel, spring steel. Now we are discussing non-ferrous materials. What is non-ferrous materials? Non-ferrous materials are those metals that do not have iron and iron component. In means in the non-ferrous material there are no iron and iron component. They are usually used in industry due to following character. They are widely used in industry because of the some character is easy of manufacturing. They are easy to manufacturing. Resistant of corrosion. They are corrosion resistant. Third, electrical and thermal conductivity is very good, and the weight. These four factor considering they are mainly used in industry sector. Important of non-ferrous metal are aluminium, copper, zinc, tin, nickel, zinc, and tin. They are the main non-ferrous metals. So we are see aluminum and its alloy. Aluminum is silvery white and lighter in the weight than steel and copper. It has high corrosion resistance. Aluminum has good machinability, formability, and castability, durability, and Y alloy are the important aluminum alloy. The aluminum are widely used in the aircraft and automobile industry. Copper and its alloy. Copper is the one the most widely used in the non-ferrous metal industry, and it is used in soft, malleable, ductile, good conductor of electricity. Following are the main alloy of copper. Copper is mainly made by brass and bronze. The copper is heavily used in the making electric cable, in the electric sector, and wire and electric machinery and appliances, refrigerator, etc. Copper are mainly used in the making of electricity for appliances and etc. materials. Now we are see leads and its alloy. So thank you so much for the listening my presentation. This is a small presentation of ferrous and non-ferrous material in engineering materials. Thank you so much.